I'm Rachael Dudash. I'm a chef, a nutritionist, and author of Clean Eating for Busy Families. Today, I want to share my biggest tips. As a nutritionist, one of my go-to snacks are tuna pouches. You're getting potassium, which is an important electrolyte. Tuna also contains vitamin D, which is really important during the winter months when we're not getting as much sun exposure as we do in the summer months. Put all the healthy snacks in clear glass jars. So it's the first thing that you see. We have some dates. Those are no added sugar fruits. Pistachios, almonds, nuts, seeds. Now the nuts and seeds, those give you protein, those give you fiber, which are really helpful for staying on track and keeping you satisfied. How to make my delicious vegan hummus nachos. Once you have the hummus on your chips, we just pop this into the toaster oven, set at 350 degrees, and bake this for about 10 minutes. Now from here, this is kind of the fun part where you get to add all of your toppings. We'll add our salsa, some Kalamata olives. I love to put freshly sliced scallions on almost everything. And then, of course, what are nachos without fresh avocado? So that is how you make my vegan hummus nachos.